The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, or PDEA, warns the public on winning barangay candidates included in the drug watch list. The Department of the Interior and Local Government, or DILG, meantime, confirms that those who won the local election who were in PDEA's list can still assume office. Here's why from Mai Bermudez.
Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency initial reports state that 26 candidates who ran as barangay chairman and 15 councilmen included in its drug watch list won in May 14 elections. PDEA worries about the retention of these individuals in their posts despite their earlier warnings.
Ang sa akin lang naman, well, yan ang binoto ng mga tao, di sila magsasuffer niyan.
PDEA also surmises that these winning candidates used in campaign the money they earned from illegal drug activities.
There was a massive vote buying na nangyari nung barangay elections. And where can they get this money? I don't know. Maybe drug money circulated and ito ang ginamit nila in vote buying.
And since no case has been filed yet, they can still assume their office according to the Department of the Interior and Local Government.
What will disqualify them from running and assuming the position is a final conviction, a final ruling from the court. So only if they are convicted of a crime involving moral turpitude and tapos final and executory yung decision na yun, only then can they not assume.
From the 200 officials identified by PDEA, only losing Barangay Captain Alvin Manyalak of Tinajeros, Malabon has been charged. PDEA expects to file more raps in the coming weeks while closely monitoring those who lost in the past elections. PDEA also currently validates 274 names linked to illegal drug trading. Mai Bermudez, UNTV News and Rescue, Quezon City.